This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB hakajingya lenti Shakri Jongka ban Jingtreikam kat kum ki kendon an banyada ya ka mei mariang bakantop ya ka kala air ki khlau ki batam na ka jingpen jakhlia ki karkhana ne ki weipat ki kam habaro koi ka jalahi kam dei ka basok kham tam na ka jingduna ki nongtrai hapo ka ne ka board Kumta haubnail bear arja arpsan ka board kala khot Thung kam haki post kum scientist B assistant environmental engineer southerly assistant law officer junior accountant artly lower division assistant lightly data entry operator artly technical assistant artly but typist grade 3 lightly Yakini ki jingkhot Thung kam la pendap lot kat kum ki kendon bat haka lai tarik unai tung araja arpusan ki bor Pynïaid ki la pen itu ya ki barung thamai lingba ka orientation program ha conference hall jong ka board haka balai don lang dau chairman ka board UR Naina Malay IFS u Dr GH Chermang MFS member secretary uba WR Kharkongor senior environmental engineer lem ki officer ka board Daka jingyo ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ka board lengba ki Nongtrei ki officer rangba ki la Kdew ba yamantahi ki Jingtreikam kadang daybet nadu Shillong bat ki angnot ba an supply ya ki regional office ha ki benta ba pher ka jilla khnang ba ki Jingtreikam kan long ka ba khamsuk
So total 18 posts which definitely increase our manpower in the board and we can do our we can fulfill the mandate of the board. So the exam was conducted by engaging the NIT who has prepared the question papers and all, and the written results they have given to us, and followed by we conducted the interview for various levels, and results has been declared on the same day of interview. So all the levels has been declared results on the same day. Definitely there will be changes because though we were doing though we are doing good work there in the past, but now this is added advantage for us. Like now we got full strength, means not of course full strength. Still there are some vacancy that will be filled in due course of time. But this added manpower definitely will take care of our own mandate, police control mandate, and we will justify our. Definitely because getting job itself is a big thing, and that too they got their choices of post. Means choice of post means they want with a lot of interest they came and appeared for the interview, they qualified the interview and all they qualified, they will work definitely, and they will be very happy being here in police college. They have to put their hard work and dedications, and they have to learn, they have to update their knowledge of various acts and rules being implemented now. So they have to update their knowledge and they will justify their post they are recruited for.
Kalau kasih keba sa jingkan mau agar record jangka office jangka board, nama ham tak kasih ngela yo egala penong jangka orientation program, hab na nama ka history jangka board ngadu bala sengikan ka office hadu mentam padan orientation, ba nakong keba ar pade kalau ba 4 juyo alat ban le major recruitment ko malang mentah. Mentaka hakan dikasin ngelaya ban recruit hadok khat prangut ki candidates ka bambut ki kanthop ya ki level ba pher nadok ki scientist B ki assistant engineer ki DEO LDA typist technical assistant kumta terta ta nadok bas dangi ka proses kalong lai ka Rukom Thung kam kalong ka khoj ka basuba hakaba ma phi ru phi la ban sakhiya ka ta ka phi interview igini candidates ki ba yo angne na namar baka jing Thung kam kalong ka ba khoj ngiyo ki bru ki ba long deserving lene ki ba biang bha ka ta qualification ga jing samphang ga jing dang jongkiro mandang don ki bru ki ba join LDA ki ba de ki NIT engineers ni don ki bru ki ba join LDA IIT physics ni don law officer ba yo ba de gold medalist jong ga wai ga university ro takane sekolah pun sika de ni ki lati ba ga jing join jong ki ki ba la qualify ha ka PE ba menta ki por ka sabi pilih PE ba ki issue environment karang ta kami ba kata ka pollution handrai pitip ba mangingi don ka office tang hang ni nyim don suwe suwe ta ka jing tmu hi gani ka recommend recruitment ka bamut nang ni sakamat ka board kadani ka jing bersyang ban play ke light ni regional office ka banong kong ka dai clearet barnihan batura ting ya ka next recruitment process namar bakadang sakut ka approval ya ka service regulation hapa government the next recruitment process ni community bangin yo ban sedang duduk pada September tengah dangi la ban thungdut ban thungkam habaro kini post ki batali ban artat ni dang approval ban yo sanction ban Shai regional office ka pamut kamslem shu ya ka public service ni ka jingsekri pa ba ni la ban pinpoint aki district kana bawa point ba badan kam kamsu kan dia ada cipentana ka to ka ease of doing business ka pak sarkar jo ni ka village kan.
This recruitment process of this scale is the first time that has happened in this organization. I've said earlier when I addressed this August gathering that I belong to the first generation of employees of this board, and this batch that has joined now is the third generation of this organization. So we are still at a very, very young stage of our development. But then looking at the demand that is there, and especially the environmental issues that has been profounded in the last 2 decades, it was necessary. Yes, why it has not happened is because of certain fund constraints, certain issues that were there that we could not recruit at such a large scale. But then I would like to take this opportunity to thank Chairman and Member Secretary who has taken upon themselves to ensure that this recruitment has happened to start with. Number 2, the numbers that have joined in now, and the transparency that is there. Because I was not involved in the recruitment process at all, but then the people who have got over here were people who have been working with me in different capacities during COVID, the biomedical waste management that I was working with, and then the exams I've been conducting on behalf of UPSC. These are the people I was surprised when they came and told me that I got a job. Then, I mean, I can vouch that whatever recruitment that has taken place, let be the written or the interview that has taken place, has been fair. And in fact, this is something that we would like to say is a star in our organization, because the interview was held during the day, and by night the results were out. So you can very well understand. I need not stress on much on the transparency of this particular recruitment. Coming to the point that how is going to help, yes, belonging to the first generation, the kind of struggle we had initially just to have a proper building, that was itself was a challenge for us. And subsequently, when we grew slowly, and then the demand of the job, Member Secretary Sir has mentioned that yes, with whatever manpower we had earlier, we were being able to function. I will not use the word excellently, but then we tried our level best effectively to work from the one office that we have here in Shillong and try to stretch our hands to all the 12 districts. With the recruitment of these new people now, where we have engineers, we have scientists, and we have even field assistants, surely we will look forward to increase in our effectiveness in functioning, because part of public service delivery is that the minimum time that we address issues and respond to certain issues, that actually will be significant in understanding the functioning of the department.
Nakalyang ki badang Rukom thamai habakran si kilat patay kubor hakani kasngi kilaong bakisyam bagarukom Pynïaid ya ka thungkam thungjam ka long ka Shai bat ka bakhoy bat ki ang not ban no senyang yala ka Jingtreikam hakakam
yang ni ka buat kelas recruit nga as a scientist be officer ti kam jonga kalong ban analyze ki data anta ban publish but ban publish ki data ki by day baki we analyze the different industries, rivers, through the national water monitoring program, national ambient air quality program. So through those various programs, the kamjonga kani kuntai man analyze but publish the data. So and also as a scientist, be also kamram jungi kumki scientist be kalong ba. But along with engineers and they expect in different industries dapat bat ladang inap kini ki industri ki ba comply bat ki rules yang belak bu dah Central Pollution Control Board mark State Pollution Control Board te long impose ki actions different actions with ki compensation fine mo kyong te kata de ka kam jong na as a scientist be officer yeah by a day but you the but the recruitment process is a long fair eh and but kat kum ka jing tip jana kalong ba rukom set ni ki jing kali ro long kim le hi na ne ki pha hi ba no ba te mut num done any kind of politics behind it and and the way baki frame ki jing kali ro long long no kalong namar ha ka pus ba ni applying scientist be ka involve ki PhDs in different fields so the way they have set the question ro kalong very fair kam no Shillong ino kan the kata way and kum ha ka pus ba nga apply ro ni don't skip practical ro apart from knowledge ka hands on method ro ni long skill ne em lor kata the kata ro ka one of the main part of recruitment and finally the personal interview bang Pynïaid jaga turu kam de interview bong ba shuli atong san ne reunion net re ka de lengthy process of interview madangam baklanga imat kumyang ale it's more than 30 minutes ba probably interview nga so it means they take time in trying to find the right person for the job
I'm joining Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board as Assistant Law Officer. So today we are having an orientation program in the presence of the chairman and the member secretary and all the new recruits and along with the other officials. And we are here and the senior officers of the board are just trying to explain to us about the functioning of the board and about the duties and the role that each new recruit and each official here has to play. Well, we also have a legal division here where we deal with lots of cases, including district court, high court, supreme court, and all cases under the NGT. So as an assistant law officer, I'll be assisting the legal division in dealing with.
ngala sha recruit hang ni hapo pollution board ha ka post jong data entry operator ngaspa men kan kandidat ya ka recruitment process hang ni ngasngo jingcham hidal de kalong fair ya kata ngala bon point out ba kamtam ha ka interview ba ngala jumat teng man kapot hang ni ka interview kalong be related with technical question kapaya de batka kam jong ka post bangiyo
recruitment process was very fair, and we had like a preliminary exam which selected our the best candidates through their technical skills, and we also had like a practical test where we made sure that we had the right skills for the job. And then there was an interview process which they asked us all the questions regarding to the job itself. It was no questions which required like general knowledge of stuff we had no way of preparing for. It was all about the job, and I really appreciated that. And I would say like it was quite it was done in a very timely manner.
I was able to join this finance establishment in due process after I've cleared my written exams, and then afterwards followed by a practical test, and then afterward the interview also. So I believe that this type of recruitment is the only way that recruitment should go, because especially this recruitment this post that which I applied for, it basically deals with the technical post, which my post is as a technical assistant. So the exam also was based on such a question that it asks us the questions which deals with only with the type of work which we will be assigned to. So yes, I believe that this recruitment has been conducting the examination in a fair and square manner, and also related to the field which I've been studying.
It will be honored for me to be working with big officials, with the chairman and the member secretary and every officers and all. And I'll be working in the office itself, and I'll be assisting all the emails or any kind of typing
related works, and will be assisting even the LDAs or even the data entry operators in the back office, and I'll be in the engineering branch. The recruitment process, it has been fair and square, and the exams was very tough, but then somehow like I got through, and it's a fair and square process.
Been recruited here as a junior accountant, and actually today is my first day. And then the first day, the orientation, I feel like as we speak, orientation is going on at the moment. And from the orientation itself, I feel like, like working in this esteemed office is such an honor, because you could see like every board member, all the colleagues of mine and the senior officials are very dedicated with their work to protect the environment and to safeguard, for our own Mother Earth. So yeah, I feel like it's a privilege to work over here. And regarding the recruitment process, I feel from all the recruitment process I've been through, I feel like in terms of the, I'm talking about government, I feel like this recruitment is probably the best that I've been through. The reason being, it's because how fast it was done. Like we get the notice, we get the application, and then everything was done very quickly, and then exams was done very thoroughly. And yes, like exams are a bit difficult compared to the other exams I've been through. But what I really appreciate is that what I feel personally, that this is very fair and square.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya